Eduka ya Uhuru Superstores yo gutoka emiyomo cy'obusongo nkonya bale ebintu buna bono mbabwate esukari kurwasa chi company ao obusi bw'engano amavuta y'icingeni kurwasa chi company ao amajani kurwasa company ya Keteba echumbi ya Salt egati ibintu binde binge bwigo nkonya bale chirangiche company ya Crown asibego bakonya amabati kurwasa company ya MRM ayuale ayechi size ao nabego ni chirangi ao nkonya bale black sheets egati ibintu binde binge inyura nka mbabwa tobokoreri obu yabuna bono uyabo bosombi gose transportation mbabwa tobokoreri wa forklift asibego bokoreri wa which customer care buri obu ibirengo bigoro totigara magega agerera rero bwikumburira ibintu biga aserigurira mu buko asamange totalere asinsemo cha Uhuru complex eyuerange na magacho Safaricom wigo no tukutuka sakuru ku JM Towers ange na credit bank ime yomu cyobosongo bakere simgwetera seti namba cyabo 0111 161 500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Ange yakira omuntu nige gucakira segete cinga kicinde nabo ogucakira aiga kibesa ekaro cyacakire kubaganwa okogenderera nigo gukubwatia ucakira egyasareka mu gucia sekende cindoto nigo cikoira umuryoye hasumukya okirarituko wetera aseke kuri kirege korari bagacinga kyabande bakorora emicando nigo bawe kumburira obunda wetera se cinjira kitanya kororekana wetera abantu abo bakoreta amagendero asokubeka cingiye kerucekerero nanene kwenekya oburindi bu ankyo koreta amunchirure na wira omwando bwe egika na wetera cindoto asobuye bwa ankyo tuichanera obwale guse cingaki okwegendererya kera ebiro nigo gokonyora enchira yokoirananka na obunchiri obo ekero bugotara nigo bukubainura bonsi abo bale inchira Mwalimu National Prosperity for all forever.
Wairevya na ndio mwancho muligerero Getembe TV karibu sana chitariki nibere Chinsa Ikomi chabona marugoba mutinyo yigo gatano na kabere na kwaliganira Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi chesinchira ire ya venenche kurukwa Matildah Obaigwa nane kirongo cha Ekeonga banyanyimbo nigo bachakire obutuki kubwatekana negekore ase nyumba y'uburaro ase skuru ya secondary ya St Joseph's Bobaracho ime yanyari bari chache county ya Kisii yanyara kubwata umuriro utkobo kiera rero nagusalia enibo yechibesa chinyinge wika ekiroto kugende mbio ni goroboti rondero nsero tayorokorokia ningi ker gosenki kerete umuriro yo kwatika senchira enka bune yo kolende ore bokoligereria mangana yembe basoka no kurwase serikali county ya Kisii oikaroro na gutema koyurimia umuriro yo konye oikire gusagana igati yenibo yaborokiwa
samara bane kibonye boki twaje skuru ya St Joseph Bobaracho muriro charenge saa 11 na 40 na litwatawe information twatumia 6 minutes wikaraiga twarimire muriro twatumia 23 minutes kurimia muriro twanyora ichera mwana umia lakini garitu yambe Kisii county njamo kwanye twakonde nire muriro kirege ndombi yakire skuru ya yandere kama nikekero mwana mukasa kama yiga mwatu wa keresi kama twakiresi munyoro mukoni bwabaye
ngor ku Dennis kijana itumbe iri bishop Giman Dennis chap Baracho tangya njiro muibori we school ya Baracho mwana ona no arigire Kenya igari pati twanyo ara mapema twamiyo katoika twanyo ara muriro jo sokara kuruguru igorende bana baitu barenga inoyo monarorenga banatema bacoka taumiete lakini abande konya bachiri gwisiri bono rende ebinto mbiasareka mbiai bono togathia abaigori baitu rende tibatwara wasi bari bataraika into twenekire abana baitu baraumbia bari lakini rende yabere ng'a nestima yaripuka tari ng'a gose hasambu muna abande bakagetena na abana basamba estima yareta shida bono rende ebinto mbiai ebinde ebinto by the way mbiasareka lakini rende bana baitu baumiete ikira kitotenya sai ng'ambia muna ase ng'encho okonya abana baitu baraumbia bari anda abande baendete na masomo era mwera nyasareka emergency na barumba ikaso obwango bakonya igorende na barumba bakora EPD na abarimu bande konya mbareke school mbakerukinya abande mbaika igo na abasigari baitu no bara agaru bakora gasi asumoroire ndori migu ndikene ngiya bairike.
Na umonchoriria no mwanasiasa kurase bunge ya Kitutu Umasaba umanyekanite buna Dioke Inyangena nigobono atebirumna nerebiye kubaikange abasae asechenga kechiga nabo igokuba kwandara kwetanga kurasa mariogo yogotindia na chinga kecho natebire nerebiya ase abasae abange banyare kwenyorera amaigirio yechikosi cha mako bunenchire moyo kwelika ikiagira emirimo yabereke koba usemiro emirimo yabereke kobora ime yense ya Kenya kintate birikira bakonye kweligeria gusukonyora mugati obokera rituko ase obwango
kunywa marwa na gutumia mihadarati ukonya nkuyi bwata sumuntu ndwati iongo sababa youths baitu amangana ya marwaro tubekanse lakini rende leadership tugwende kuligia enjira yoko ba chigasi na chibani chigasi chinge especially abana abaitu chitivet institutions chigo exist kamoranje abana bali baitute bagwate chigrade chiti chinse tigabagenda bakole unabona igasi ya plumbing igere very lucrative tigabana baitu basoichi chitivet institutions na ende monge kirugia 2027 ubuchumbe. I will ensure that the wanafunzi bonsi people baga polytechnic TVET will be fully financed. Egere bagenda bachuwe kwanza mchemo tukalimusu. Na ende ejira abwate paka abantu bana bali tigerite skuru njira bonsi kegere gasi yoko boko ero ande terigo takamangana masomo. Na ende abantu nga tituranga keruta someti nga igo that is the end of life. No. Soma is one way of succeeding, but we have many other ways of succeeding in life.
Una enjira emo yokwena na amegirio nabo igokurwaria oburoire wa kansa nigo abanyagitari kurwase county ya Kisii abo bale no bumanyi buburoire bwa kansa bakubwaterana ne University ya Kisii ase ensemo gose department ya research bono banyara gutwara workshop gose gikarokyo basemania chinchira cyo gokonya abale no buroire bwa kansa buwenia buburoire obu nabo igo chinchira chinde cyo kurwaria endwali yose koyerwania anamuno ase county ya Kisii.
My name is Professor Frederick Wanyama. I'm Deputy Vice Chancellor in charge of Academic Research and Student Affairs at Kisii University. And we are here this morning to talk about a seminar on cancer that we held in this university recently, about 2 days ago. Kisii University is establishing a niche in the area of cancer research and management. And we are partnering with the county government of Kisii in handling the health matters. As we all know, health is a devolved function, and we are partnering with the county government of Kisii in this.
My name is Dr. Bahati. I'm an oncoplastic breast surgeon based at the Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital. I had the pleasure of attending the workshop that was held in Kisii University earlier this week, and we had fantastic discussions that were looking at the burden of cancer globally and also in Kisii. We know that cancer is becoming a global burden with rising cases, and the same is also being mirrored in Kenya. In Kisii too, we are making strategies to see whether we can increase our data collection on cancer. Currently, Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital, in conjunction with Kisii County, has partnered with the University of Manchester, and we are now establishing a cancer registry to be able to collect this data.
Oncology can be offered out of the mainstream level 6 TRH or Nairobi, so it can also be treated out here, and we know that there are huge cancer centers coming up, which should be opened by the end of this year. So this is a very welcome move with Kema.
Njo murigiria abarai bebirongo ebirengo ao na kubomona bage siasa nigo basabirwe gutwara masikani nabo igobo twere ruchingaki bakumirana na bananchi bagicikura kura Chinsemo ao na kubomona ekero bare asemisangirekano bunabone mega ya matanga nabo igo chikanisa uyore county commissioner umukoro kura county ya Trans Nzoia umanyekanite buna Oyagi Nyandiricha Gideon nikubono anyarego tabuna masikani yaburire asigati ya barai baria bawaka siasa chabo chingaki chionsi na aboigo nigaburi na Nairobi ya serikali ya county kubomone county ya Kisii gwikirania magendero na boigo chira yanyarete kubagikoliera abamenye buno kubeka mario gase chinyagitari ukora chipara chigenderete kwaga cyo na boigo korosigwa kusia magendero sigwikiranirwa asenchera iri ya bene
na uchukanira sensei ya Kenya County na kwa 16 counties mu commission. Lero ile kuna abasaja na bakungu bako bagane bintu. Ebinte bitokoli biko kuborai. Nese nchonga bantu mbali galia bakwikaranza kubagane bintu elinde bayira abantu bamwabo. 2013 buna bibaya batebyo twakoletega sinere gali Kisii County ekero mwako ya soto bisi na mangi baraswagari wachakegas tokaige ke county area egatwara musingi umya bora ike neta kire ngine gitari munye yiga yabo setuwe yetwara mariyo enda yali sisi masinye koligas oboine tigadote bani oboine nyagitari yetebura yakabiri ekero tuwarenge no mwako ngwaye tukabeke proposal kuchaka ogemu municipal board muisoi gachega chaka bono iga kende kiyo gari go proposal ne budget tiyo e body e chorire no nyina rawe sitiyo no nyina municipal manager ro mono tukurugango tukumotera muyamoro tigakore gasi kende kiyo akora rakito kusaba iga magoso tayo twakorere tumuraba n'ururubura mu machoge kaba machoge kimeza cyose bogiya egase kore kwaramba wakende chikura amariyo kubika agayiga mu machoge ma wakende chikura otoko wake ambu ya kwara usetie para ichino ichwale kule mabutuko lakini akiwe kwa muramu dora kwagi turabe kanyobeke
murigirerio mutinyo yo mo bwerire magiga yo murero mutindi wateka ase skuru y'abanyoroka ya utumishi asumuchio gil iyo kutoka meye county ya Nakuru nigobono aboroki wabachakire kwira na eskuru ase gati yabo anamuno bali bale kirasi ge 12 banyara kwira na umugasolero na buigo abiboli babwate ekyo bakwera murero yo mutindi nigorete abanyoroka 15 nomo usiri amagimabo nabande abange gutigirwa chingoma chintindi.
Nimenunua kila kitu, ni kama ninaingia form 1 fresh. Nimenunua uniform yote, viatu yote, kila kitu, bed sheets, blanketi, everything. Nimenunua kila kitu. Haikuwa rahisi kwa wazazi ambao pia hawakuwa wanajiweza.
Mikakati ya kwanza tumeweka is counseling. There is nothing that goes ahead of counseling. Every child, every parent is attended to. On Tuesday, by the way, they were here to attend to the teachers.
During the August holiday, we are prepared to continue with the construction of the new block of the dormitories that is in place, and even renovate the old dormitory that had a fire tragedy.
Na kurwa samangana yogotingia uburundi serikali yensi ya Kenya wetrase wizara y'uburundi boime kurawanere umuske Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen na boigo ensi ya Italy wetrase umwaziri w'uburundi bwaroro nikobono banyari ko kora ukoiwana na boigo kobeka SAE igati yimirobelyo iri barachi kubwaterana ko eneke bona Chinsa chiga chanyari kubwaterana kombeka omurembe na boigo obo toereru nikobono umuske Murkomen atebiribuna namangana mangara korekane asoko iwano ko gwakorekana litukoria rero chitariki 2 mutinyo yiga ogatano na kabiri.
And I must say that this very strong relationship is reflected not just in words but real tangible results that have emanated in various sectors and particularly in the security sector, both defense and internal security, including areas of migration. And, so you have captured really generally some of the areas we work together. Today we are here to build on the momentum created by the state visit of His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, to Italy in March 2023, where the two governments affirmed our resolve to strengthen cooperation across strategic sectors, including security, migration, trade, investment, and development.
So these results are clearly the outcome of our partnerships that we have established, not only with transit countries such as Libya, Tunisia, Algeria in particular, but also with countries of origin. And in particular, I'm thinking about Bangladesh and Pakistan, where we have signed agreements to strengthen legal migration channels in exchange for a, let's say, greater commitment on preventing departures and on return. So it's an exchange that we have between our two countries.
Kendra gutwara uburigirire obyo mwancho mo ligirire chenkro kwa Matildah Obaigwa kendra ko yegenda Getembe TV Ekeonga kya momugusi nereke vinyongeri cross studio ya kabere twara emargova ingia.
Kesho ya kila mtu huanzia mahali fulani. Wakati mwingine inaanzia hapa. Pesa zinapoanza kusonga, ufanisi hufuata. Kuanzia biashara moja hadi nyingine, ndoto zikichukua mkondo wake katika juhudi za kila siku. Kupitia kizazi kinachoona fursa pale wengine wanapoona hatari, wanatengeza utajiri kwa njia ambazo hazijawahi kuonekana. Kupitia watu wanaoleta maendeleo, wakiweka misingi ya leo huku wakihakikisha usalama wa kesho. Kugeuza malengo kwa urithi wa kudumu na maono kwa ufanisi wa kesho. Haijalishi umbali wala muda, ufanisi daima hupata njia ya kurudi nyumbani. Ufanisi unapotembea huwainua wote waliopo njiani. Mwalimu National, prosperity for all, forever.
Eduka ya Uhuru Superstores yo gutoka imiyomo cy'obusongo nkonya bale ebintu buna bono mbabwate esukari kurwasa chi company ao obusi bw'engano amavuta y'icingeni kurwasa chi company ao amajani kurwasa company ya Keteba echumbi ya Kensalt igati ibintu bindi binge bwigo nkonya bali chirangiche e company ya Crown asibego bakonya amabati kurwase company ya MRM aywali ayechi size ao nabego ne chirangi ao nkonya bali black sheets egati ebintu binde vinge inyura nka mbamwa tobokoreri obu yabuna bono uyabo bosombi gose transportation mbamwa tobokoreri wa forklift asibego bokoreri wa which customer care buri obwebirengo bigoro totigara magega agirira rero bwikumbolere ibintu biga aserigurira mu buko asamange totalere asinsemo cha Ouru complex eyuerange na magacho Safaricom hoigo no tukutuka sakro ku JM Towers angena credit bank ime yomuchibo songo bakere simgwe traseti namba chabo 0111 161 500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.